In this video, we will prepare the one small program on the abstract class. So for that, let me prepare the one new folder. In that new folder, let me prepare the one C# file about the abstract class. Now here in this file, enter the code, whatever existing logic we are having, and then I'm writing the one namespace here. Let's say abstraction system, kind of that. We know that how we are going to prepare the one class. The same way, abstract class also having the same syntax. Okay, so normal class is like this, right? Class demo, something I'm writing. For preparing the abstract class, we have to write down the abstract keyword before the class. That's it. So by using the abstract class, we can implement the abstraction. So here, class demo, I'm just giving the abstract class demo kind of that. So as per discussion earlier, the way how we implement the interface, the same way you can implement the methods, whatever the methods, what are the methods we have to prepare. You can prepare these methods into the abstract class as well, right? So for example, I'm preparing the one method, let's say public void message, kind of that. But in the interface, we don't have any issue like when we are going to preparing the method. But whereas in the abstract class, I'm getting the issue. So the issue is that abstract class demo message must declare a body because it is not a marked as a abstract. So it's clearly telling that in case if we are going to define the any methods in the abstract class, okay, not the implementation, I'm saying that. So if you want to define the any method in the abstract class, the method signature should followed by the abstract keyword like this. Okay, so by default in interface, every method is the abstract method. So here you no need to explicitly declare abstract keyword into the each and every method into the interface. But whereas in the abstract class, you have to define the abstract keyword in front of the method signature in case if you are defining the method. The same way, if you would like to prepare the method along with the implementation in the abstract class, yes, you can do. The way how you do the in the normal class, the same way you can do in the abstract class as well. For example, right? So in the abstract class, you can prepare the abstract methods as well as the non-abstract methods. When you are going to prepare the abstract methods, you no need to do any implementation, and normal methods when you are going to declare, we should implement the methods. Even you can prepare the properties also in the abstract classes, like the way how you are going to define the properties into the interface. For example, here the same way you can prepare the properties in the abstract class as well. So for example, let me copy here and paste here. Okay, so coming to the abstract methods, even you can declare with the abstract methods with a different return data type. So I'm taking the integer, I'm giving the message one. For example, I'm taking the another abstract method, let's say message to here, and I'm taking the one input parameter, that is the ID. So coming to the again properties, even you can prepare the properties with the by default, every property in the class, it is private. So once you are going to declare the any property inside of the class, so those properties you can't access outside of the class, you cannot. So if you want to make the outside of the class, always you should give the public, right? So public. So whenever we are going to prepare the abstract property, okay, so always it should be the public. So for example, I'm giving the abstract here, okay, so now it will be the abstract property. So now if you want to design this name as an abstract property, yes, you can design the abstract property. And like a normal classes, the way how you define the constructor, the same way for you can define the constructor for the abstract class as well. So for example, public abstract class demo here, constructor name, I'm saying that you can define like this. Even parameter constructor also you can define for the abstract class. So in the abstract class, you can define the constructors, you can define the normal methods, you can define the abstract methods, should not be follow the any method implementations, as well as you can define the non-abstract properties like this. Okay. So into the next video, we will prepare the one derived class, and then we will take the base class as the abstract class. Then the way how we implement these abstract methods related details into the derived class means that the way how we are going to access this method into the derived class, then how we are going to implement these methods into the derived classes. So these concepts we will cover into the next video.